Yesterday, I decided to take advantage of the beautiful weather and spent the day in my backyard. Not just for lounging around, but to curate and showcase a lookbook of my favorite shirts and skirts. I started the day early, with a cup of coffee and my camera in hand. The sun was shining brightly, casting a natural, warm glow, perfect for an impromptu photo shoot. My first outfit was a combination of a white, flowy, button-down shirt paired with a denim mini skirt. This outfit was a comfortable yet chic choice for a sunny, outdoor day. I rolled up the sleeves and tied the ends of the shirt, creating a relaxed, casual vibe. Next, I opted for a more structured look. I chose a black, fitted turtleneck shirt and a high-waisted checkered skirt. This ensemble had a more polished and sophisticated feel to it. I paired it with black ankle boots, adding an edgy touch to the overall look. The third outfit was all about playing with patterns. I selected a striped, oversized shirt and paired it with a floral, A-line midi skirt. The mix of patterns was bold and fun, perfect for a sunny day outside. I completed the look with a pair of white sneakers, keeping it casual and comfortable. For the final look, I picked a pastel pink, off-the-shoulder shirt and a white, pleated maxi skirt. This outfit was feminine and airy, perfect for a relaxing day in the backyard. I styled it with a pair of strappy sandals and a straw hat, adding a beachy, holiday vibe to the look. As the sun began to set, I wrapped up my backyard lookbook session. It was a day filled with fashion, creativity, and a lot of fun. I loved how each outfit reflected a different side of my style, and I can't wait to share the looks with my friends. Spending the day in my backyard turned out to be more productive and enjoyable than I initially thought. Not only did I get to soak up the sun, but I also got to express my love for fashion and styling. It was the perfect blend of relaxation and creativity.